Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily delete a macro on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So if you want to do it, you just go over into settings. Now go to key assignments, and here you should have your macro. If you did not set this up, then I'll show you how it looks like. For example, we want a macro on a right click. As you guys can see, now we're going to choose it. Here we record what are we going to do. So for example, I just want to press the letter V. We're going to stop the recording, and as you guys can see, now whenever I press the right button, it will start spamming the letter V. So that's how the macro works. Now if we want to get rid of it, we just press on the three dots, click delete, and now whenever I try to press the right click, it will just be like a normal right click again. So that's how you guys can get rid of your macros. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.